I'm sure by this time you must have known that learning Maithili is easy. Only if you're following This Is Mithila. But did you know we can learn Maithili with the help of English alphabets? तो as said earlier, there are certain Maithili words जो हम English alphabets के through सीख सकते हैं. तो चलिए जानते हैं इसके बारे में. So the first word that we are learning is not from the letters A, B, C, D, but it's from E. If you are referring to a thing, it could be anything. कोई भी चीज़ हो सकता है. जैसे कि मेरे पास अभी स्लीप मास्क है तो आप बोल सकते हैं E एकटा स्लीप मास्क छै. If you can see it, okay. So you have to hold the sleep mask, you have to put your eyes and you have to wear it and you have to go to sleep and you have to not watch anything, just go to sleep. Sleeping is important, okay. Good night. Okay, sorry, I'm back, okay. I cannot end the video here. तो आगे चलते हैं, आगे जाएंगे हम ज़रूर. So the next word that we are moving on to is I. I in Maithili means today. So I, you know that movie I, right? So every time you watch that movie, you know that it's not a Tamil movie, it's not a Tamil word, it's a Maithili word, meaning today, okay? So a sentence from I यहाँ बड़ सुंदर लागे छी. एना सब हमरा लिखब comment में. The next alphabet is J, and J means who or what in Maithili depending on the situation. So the sentence with J that I can think of now is J यहाँ कहू, whatever you say. Second sentence from J is J कहल को ओकरे से पूछी. Ask the person who told you. तो हमारा अगला अंग्रेजी अक्षर है के, और के का अर्थ मैथिली में होता है कौन. तो इससे एक वाक्य आहा के ई के कहलक या फिर तोरा ई के कहल को, जिसका अर्थ है आपको यह किसने कहा या तुम्हें ये किसने बोला. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट, इट्स ओ. ओ इन मैथिली मीन्स दैट. तो अगर हम एक सेंटेंस बनाएंगे ओ से तो वह ऐसा होगा कि ओ की कह रहल छे, वह क्या कर रहा है, व्हाट इज ही डूइंग. So the next aksher, it's R, and R is the best aksher, I can tell you, because it means addition. So by addition I meant it is similar to the English word and a sentence that you can form by using R is hom are tu, you and me. Comment down for more sentence. Comment down if you comment down for more sentence, or more sentence. Comment down for more videos like this, okay. And it took me an hour to make this video. Good night, goodbye.